Hey there, Tia, aka Everyday Monet, and in this You Can series video, we're doing winged liner. Not this exact wing liner, like actually a super fun felt tip black wing liner, but I'm talking all about wing liner, tips and tricks. I hope it helps. It's really step by step. I hope you enjoy this video. Please consider subscribing if you haven't, and let's get to it right now. Okay, so I have my foundation on, I have my eyeshadow on, brows are done, and so we're going to do the winged liner. And I know everyone's like, oh my gosh, it's really hard to do wing liner. So I'm going to try and make this as simple as possible, and then maybe add some tips if you want to do some different things. So the first thing is I'm going to be using the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Liner. I really like a felt tip liner, especially for a wing. I actually want to start at the wing. A lot of people want to come down and around, and I actually feel like getting the wing part right helps to make the rest come in. So what we're going to do is we're going to start right here at the corner of the eye, and we're just going to swipe up. Sometimes, because I'm a little bit older and I got a little extra skin, sometimes I will actually pull this taunt and then do it. But whatever way you're comfortable with is good. So I have my wing. You can have it wing out, down. I like to sometimes have it come up and basically like it would be meeting my brow. So let's do it on the other side. Okay. So you can see sometimes when I do a wing, like it doesn't look exactly the same on both sides. This one's a little more curved and then this one's more straight. And you can see that's because I came down and up, and this one I just went up. So it's an easy fix on that. You're just gonna come back in and fill in this bottom part. So I didn't touch the top part of the wing, I just did the bottom, so it's going to look a little more symmetrical. Then I'm going to start, and I like to start the inner part and pull out. So I'm going to kind of tilt my head back so that I can see the full lash line, and I actually hold my felt tip this way, like flat onto the eye, and I'm going to start right here. Not all the way in the corner. Not that you can't do that. I just don't like my liner like that. And I'm just going to do light brush strokes right against the lash line and almost into the lashes. This way, if you have extra liner, it's just going on your lashes. It's not going on your eye. And then I meet them together. Other side. Okay, so now it's not necessarily as dark or as thick as I want, but I'm just going to look at the placement, see if I like where this is going, and I do. So now I'm going to go over and really darken it, and this is when I use more of the tip. So I am going to pull my eye taunt, and I'm just going to go over sort of what I already went over and darken and smooth the line. The nice thing about liquid liner is, like, you can see it's a little bit wonky. It's kind of easy to fix by just pressing. So see here, it's a little bit farther up than I want it. So I'm just going to press the tip lightly here. And you see it pulls it down, which is nice. And then I'm going to press the tip lightly here. And that's the other reason why I don't come down a lot with my liner, because it doesn't give me room to correct. And then you see there's this gap here where this is my eye and then I wing this. So all I'm going to do is pull wherever this line is. I'm just going to pull it straight to the wing, fill it in, And there you go. You don't have to have this deep exaggeration. That's just what I like to do. So I'm going to do that on the other side. So I'm going to check and see if I feel like it's, you know, I mean, your eyes aren't not symmetrical, so it's not going to be perfect. But I like where that's going, and my one advice is like stop while you're ahead, because sometimes I'm like, let me fix this, let me fix that, and then I end up having like this huge wing. But the nice thing about wing liner is like I always start sort of light or thin, and then if I get crazy, then I'll just like, today's thick liner day, thick wing. Yeah. So there you go, that's the finished product. And I'm gonna get some lashes on, but that's going to be in another video. So this is You Can Do wing liner, so I hope that you did wing liner. If you have any like other ways that you like to do liner, or any tips or tricks for other people, please leave those down below. I really appreciate you watching. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.